If you're new to watch collecting and thinking about your very first Omega, chances are you're asking the same question many collectors before you have faced: Speedmaster or Seamaster? Do you go with the spacefaring chronograph that went to the moon, or the rugged dive watch worn by James Bond himself? Today, we're diving deep into both collections, their history, their highlights, and what makes each one special. By the end, you'll have a clearer idea of which iconic Omega might be the right fit for your wrist. The Seamaster actually came first, debuting in 1948. Back then, it wasn't even a dive watch. It was marketed as an everyday gentleman's piece, made tougher thanks to a new waterproof system developed for British military divers during World War II. Fast forward to 1957, and Omega introduced the Seamaster 300, a true diver's watch that caught the attention of legendary ocean explorer Jacques Cousteau. From there, the Seamaster cemented itself as one of the all-time great dive watches. The Speedmaster was born in the same year, 1957, but with a completely different purpose. Designed for motorsports, it was the first chronograph to feature a tachyometer scale on the bezel, something that became a defining feature for racing chronographs. But of course, destiny had much bigger plans for the Speedmaster. The Seamaster has tested its limits under the sea for decades, from the quirky professional-grade Ploprof in the 1970s to the Planet Ocean Ultra Deep that reached the bottom of the Mariana Trench in 2019. Omega has pushed water resistance to incredible levels. And of course, since 1995, the Seamaster has been the official watch of James Bond, seen on the wrists of both Pierce Brosnan and Daniel Craig. Meanwhile, the Speedmaster was rewriting history in space. In the 1960s, NASA needed a watch tough enough to survive the extremes of spaceflight. After brutal testing, the Speedmaster came on top, becoming the official watch of all manned missions. And in 1969, Buzz Aldrin wore his Speedmaster on the surface of the moon, forever earning the nickname Moonwatch. From the deepest oceans to outer space, these two watches have more stories than almost any other timepiece on the planet. The Seamaster Diver 300M is sporty, versatile, and packed with dive watch DNA. It's got a rotating bezel, 300 meters of water resistance, and a helium escape valve for saturation diving. But it's not all function. The wave pattern dial, skeleton hands, and that iconic bracelet design make it one of the most recognizable divers in the world. The Speedmaster Professional, on the other hand, is a chronograph through and through. The current Moonwatch sticks closely to its roots: a 42mm asymmetrical case, tachyometer bezel, and that clean 3-register dial layout. It's still hand-wound, just like the NASA-certified versions. And while you won't be diving with it, you will get one of the most historically important chronographs ever made. Both collections have expanded far beyond their original purposes. The Seamaster family now includes the dressy Aquaterra, the rugged Planet Ocean, and limited editions inspired by vintage designs. Whether you want a daily wearer or a professional dive tool, there's a Seamaster for you. The Speedmaster line has also grown. Beyond the classic Moonwatch, you'll find racing-inspired models, ceramic-cased editions like the Dark Side of the Moon, and even moon phase complications with tiny astronaut footprints engraved on the display. For purists, there are also vintage reissues like the Speedmaster 57. So no matter your taste, vintage, sporty, modern, or technical, both families offer incredible variety. If you're drawn to space history, mechanical chronographs, and one of the most legendary watches ever made, the Speedmaster is your pick. If you're more into adventure, diving, or you just want the watch of James Bond, the Seamaster is the way to go. At the end of the day, you can't go wrong. Both are icons, both are packed with heritage, and both represent the very best of Omega. Which side are you on, Speedy or Seamaster? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more watch deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.